Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to practice listening and understanding English by talking about money. Money is a really important topic because money is a big part of our lives. Let's first talk about currencies. A currency is the type of money that a country uses. For example, the currency of the United States is the dollar, and the currency of Mexico is the peso. Every country uses a currency to buy and sell things. Some currencies are very valuable, and other currencies are not very valuable. Prices are very different in different countries. In the United States, most things are expensive. They cost a lot of money. In other countries, things are cheap. They don't cost a lot of money. Another major difference is with salaries. The salaries in some countries are high, and the salaries in other countries are low. In the United States, salaries are pretty high. Americans need to make a lot of money because life is expensive in the United States. In some countries, people don't need a lot of money to live, but everyone needs some money to survive. Some people really like spending money, and other people prefer saving more money. Different people have different habits. My family always liked saving money,